The Helms Row is a dumbbell variation of the chest-supported row that primarily targets the lats, traps, and rear delts. By bracing your chest against the back of an incline bench, it provides more stability, thus helping you create more tension in your back. Although I prefer the chest-supported row machine, the Helms Row is a good replacement if you don't have access to that machine. Here's how to do it correctly. Set up an incline bench to a 30 to 45 degree angle. If your bench doesn't have much padding, you can add a barbell pad over the top edge for more comfort. While facing the back of the bench, hold a pair of dumbbells straight down from your shoulders with a neutral palms facing in grip. Bend forward to place your chest on top of the bench with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Engage your core to keep your back flat, then initiate the row by pulling the dumbbells up towards your lower ribs, keeping your elbows at about a 45 degree angle. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top and hold for a brief pause. Under control, slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position, getting a full stretch in the lats. Repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.